Today our topic is if-else statement in Python. So how to make the if-else statement Python in one line? So here we have an example. X equal to int input enter a number, getting the user input. If it is greater than 100, we have our number is greater than 100, otherwise number is less than. This is a simple if-else statement in Python. So I'm going to execute that. I have given py example.py. Example.py is the file name. So it will ask for the number I have entered. So number is less than 100. That is correct. Again, I am checking for the greater than the 100 number. Number is greater than 100. This is working fine. So how to make this if-else statement in one line? So that's what our topic. So to do that, we have a conditional operator. We know that in Python, conditional operator is little bit different. Let's see how it is going to work. Here in this case, first I am assigning the value. Output is number is greater than 100. Then we have condition if x greater than 100, else number is less than 100. Here the output. So let's run this command. Py example.py. It will ask for number. I enter them. See, number is less than 100. The same result we are getting in one line. So I'm trying for the bigger number. See, it's working for the both cases. So in one line we can write if-else statement. So here I will figure out. First we are assigning the value if condition is true. Otherwise we have value of else statement. So if condition not satisfied, this will executed. If condition is satisfied, this will be executed. This is a if-else statement in simple one line. Thank you.